Hi, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is Introduction to Merge Sort. Merge sort is a popular and efficient sorting algorithm that follows the divide and conquer approach. It recursively divides into input array into smaller subarray, sorts then the merge sort back together to form a final sort array. Divide and conquer approach. Divide. The input array is recursively divided into halves until the subarray contains only one element. Sort. The final sort subarray merge back together to form a final sort array. Conquer. The subarray are the sorted independently using the sum merge sort algorithm. And for examples, you can take the three steps. Divide an input array into two halves. Step 2. Recursively sort the left and right halves. Third step. Merge the sort having the single sort array. Time complexity analysis is the best case, worst case, and average case. Best case. The best case time complexity of a merge sort is on a log n, which occurs when the input array is already sorted. Worst case. The worst case time complexity is also an n log n, which occurs when the input array is in recursive order. Average case. The average case time complexity is a n log n, which is same as best and worst cases. Space complexity analysis. Additional space. The merge sort requires additional space to store the temporary subarray during the merge process. Space complexity. The space complexity of a merge sort is as it requires an additional array of the same size and input array. In place variant. This is an place variant of a merge sort which reduces space complexity 0 and 1 but is less efficient. Advantages of merge sort: stability, parallelism, grounded performance, adaptability. Merge sort is a stable sorting algorithm meaning its pervasive relative order to equal element. Parallelism. Merge sort can be easily parallelized, making it efficient for sorting large data sets on multi-core processes. Gradient performance. Merge sort has a consistent time complexity of n log n in all cases, making it a reliable choice. Adaptability. Merge sort can be adapted to handle different data structures such as linked lists and trees. Comparison with other sorting algorithms. Quick sort, id sort, insert sort. Merge sort has more consistency performance while quick sort is faster or average but as worst case sincerely. It's sort, ip sort. Merge sort has better space complexity while ip sort has a slightly better time complexity in the average case. Insertion sort. Merge sort is more efficient for the large database, while insertion sort is better for small, nearly sorted arrays. Partial applications of merge sort. Database index, external sorting, merge streaming, signal processing. Merge sort is used to build and maintain index in database management systems. External sorting. Merge sort is used to sort a large database that cannot fit in main memory. Merge sort is used to efficient combine multiple sorted streams of a data. Merge sort is used to various signal process algorithms such as Fourier transform. Thank you.